cat's driving close this morning. Oh, buddy, boy, we are close today. It's like right up a hill. So these cats, god damn, man. Oh, buddy, this is a fun one. So we got Volvo out of prime. God damn. These motherfuckers don't play. Alright, here we go. I think I found our problem though. Tried to prime it, ain't priming. Look over here, secondary fuel bowl, plumb ass empty. We're gonna fill her up. We're gonna try and get this bitch started. Well, I'm just keeping this on so when I die, I love my kids. I love my wife. Oh, shit. Everybody love everybody. Climbing this bitch. All right, try and start it. Go for it. Yeah, start it. Starting it? Okay. We got Nixon bombs. Can't fuck with a boss. That's what you can't do. Cause the OG killer is everywhere, but they nowhere at the same time. Got it, I mean? Get it in, son. This how we roll. AM, PM, you need to hit us up, B. We got your back. Side of the freeway. Dusk to dawn. We in this. Stop playing with me. Come on, now I'm trying to save you money. All you needed was some fuel. Hop out, look at that. You'd have been good. You good, bro? Let's get up to the next exit. No, we good. We got them good to go. We getting out of here. The shadiest spot. Oh shoot, I'm out in the freeway. What's good? All right, we're moving up to the next exit to get this payment. I don't really like sitting here waiting for all that crap, so we moving. Hopefully it don't shut down on the way. Hey yo, you know what it is. Wake up Wednesdays. It's time to wake up your mind, wake up your body, wake up your life. And the special of this episode is gonna be save yourself some money. How to save yourself some money as an owner operator, because I be getting some calls for nothing. Like, you could save yourself money. You could be saving yourself a lot of money if you just did a couple of these basic things that we're gonna show in this video today. But to start right into it on this wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, gotta talk about a call we did last night. Yeah, we do gotta talk about a call we did last night. I got my co-host over here. He's legit. I got an issue with small companies bringing their trucks to a Love's. I understand the big companies because they gotta roll. They get, they just stop, get an oil change done, keep rolling. But these small companies, you're just stopping at the random Love's nowhere that you never been to before. You don't know anyone in there, and you're getting an oil change. And then what happens? Your truck don't start because these dudes don't know what they're doing. So what you gotta do? You gotta call AM PM Mobile Repair, and you gotta pay a $100 call out, and you gotta pay $100 an hour to come out to you and fix your stuff. Yes, they do. I wish not for them, but it's what happens. I'm telling you, this is what's happening because these people at Love's don't know how to fix the trucks. So, yes, bro, I'm telling you, because just last night I went out and we did it. All right, man. All right, whatever. All right, so We went out there, O-ring was dry on the fuel filter. So our tech put a little grease on it, put a little oil on it, and thing primed right up. And that owner of that truck was salty about it because he now was in the whole bunch of money for having us to come out to the Love shop in the middle of the bay and get the truck started, which of course we did because it's AMPM mobile repair. We don't give up. We a bunch of veterans in here. We keep it rocking. We get you started no matter what, unless we tell you got to get it towed. Then we did the best that we could. Like the other call that I did where I had to eat probably about 5 hours of labor because I didn't get their truck started. That was a whole issue. Yeah, that was a whole thing. Long story short, do not run your truck without the engine belt. I mean, it's pretty obvious, but yeah, this driver didn't get that. He ran his truck. I found that out about 4 hours after trying to fix it. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that truck's engine was seized. But I didn't feel like charging that driver a bunch of money or the owner, because I had about 7 hours into it, but I didn't fix the truck. So I charged them, 3 hours to come out there, get the belt, go find the belt, come back, put it on. So I charged them for what I was in on it, and I ended up eating a bunch of hours. But that's the way it is. That same day, I almost thought I had to replace a fuel pump on one of my service trucks. Well, we got out of that too. Owning a business is fun. It's getting a little stressful, but it's all good when you're on dispatcher and you're a mechanic. It can get a little stressful. But we may be looking for a dispatcher here soon. Not sure about that, but we'll get to that. All right, so we're gonna get into this video. We're gonna figure out how to save your owner op some money. I mean, I'm talking literally 10 grand a year. I'm talking 5 grand a year. Depends on what you want to toss in on it, because there's programs out there that for about $1,300 will hook up to your truck, do a forced regen, do whatever the heck you want it to do. So boom, right there, if you got a Freightliner Cascadia, that's gonna save you about 10 grand in about 15 road calls. So stay tuned, and we're gonna make sure that we get a hookup on how to save y'all some dough. All right, we'll be back. Whoa, what am I seeing here? Orange EV, pure electric. You're not telling me that this is an all electric spot truck, are you? Bro, what am I actually looking at? Bro, this is legit electronic vehicle. There's no engine. What? How is this even? Like, I don't even see a transmission. There's no transmission. Bro, this is crazy. Here's a charging port. What? I'm gonna start this thing up. How? Is it on? Bro. I don't even know. Safe emergency use only. Do not turn off truck or during charging. HIV off. I'm about to break this thing. This is crazy. I don't even know how to start this thing. Operating instructions. Do not operate vehicle without viewing the operation manual. Never park vehicle without parking brake applied. To start the truck, verify the emergency stop button is not engaged. turn the key switch to the on position. The power on process will take about 3 seconds. Disengage the parking brakes. Press the FNR switch to the forward or reverse position. Look in the direction you wish to travel and gently press the accelerator pedal. Man, this is one of them days I don't even remember. I don't know. It's one of them days I don't even remember if it's, what did I say, Wacky Wednesday, Wake Up Wednesdays, something. Well, we're about to do some air conditioning. Definitely don't like that on a Wednesday. Interesting. I mean, they may just say this so they can keep selling you the stuff and make money, but just say drain oil when pump is warm. Place pump on a level surface. Place drain pan under drain plug. Open drain. As much oil drain as possible. Reinstall oil cap port. Cap oil intake ports and run pump for 2 minutes. Stop pump and check to see that oil is at the proper level on sight glass. 6 CFM is 18 ounces. Right where we want to be. All right, we got a system leaked out. We got our vacuum pump going. We got our high side, our low side hooked up. All of the manifold gauges are open and we are vacuuming. And you want to see that vacuum get down to the -30. That's where you want it. It's going to take a little bit. You want to vacuum it for probably about half hour to an hour. Let it sit for about an hour or two. And then you want to, check to make sure you're still at that -30 mark. And that will show that you don't have any more leaks. You're ready to start filling it up. And we'll kind of go over how to fill it up. But just wanted to kind of give you a quick little video on vacuum.